James, I can't. They're on a cruise ship. What the hell? They're on a cruise ship. What's up, our Productions fam? You already know I'm with James. Again. So James, where are we right now?
We're at KFC.
Huh?
KFC,
yeah? What the hell did you order?
12.
What the hell did you order, bro? What is this?
Food.
What is this?
Food.
We paid 100 dirhams for this, you idiot.
Ramen. What the hell? Oh my God.
I don't know how we're gonna finish all this, but goddamn.
Help us, please.
Huh?
Help us.
Help us, guys. Help us. Hey, you wanna help us finish this bucket? It's huge. You wanna help us finish this? I'm a YouTuber, by the way. I'm a YouTuber, so. No, I'm asking you. Do you want to help us finish this thing? No. I said no.
We're not even halfway.
I gotta take the biggest shit of my life right now. What about you? I swear you're an idiot. You're an idiot.
We finished the whole bucket.
This is the whole bucket you need. And the fries. Stop eating, James. 2 people finishing an 18 piece bucket. Bro. Hey, yo, James, you're taking a big shit after this, yeah? Sorry, I know James and I had to put it to Awani. Stop smoking. How is it? It's buzzed, yeah? So guys, I'm with James obviously, and there's a drone show starting. Guys, check this out. It's a new day, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys something pretty cool, which happens in Dubai. Y'all gotta see this, alright? Stay tuned and watch.
3, 2, 1.
James, free fuel for me. Free fuel, let's go.
وسكاي دايف دبي على تعاونهم معنا في تقديم هذه العروض.
So guys, they gave us a QR code, so we get free fuel on our cars. James, you're gonna use that, yeah? You're not gonna use that. Your GTI broke down. His car broke down, so I guess Elantra. So it's a rental. I'm not supposed to be paying for it. They are. Lambo, baby, Lambo. Let's go. Literally 3 German cars: a Porsche, a Mercedes, and then a BMW. I can't. Yeah, I know. We got the Rari. Let's go.
Seriously?
Yeah. Woo. Beautiful, man. Look at that. Woo. Sick. G-Class, G-Wagon. Woo. Sick. Look at that. Idiot, that's your car. That's your car, you idiot. GTI. Idiot. That's your car, you idiot. Your ex car, I guess.
Yeah.
This is no longer your car. Lambo, let's go. Yeah, I know we got the Bentley. Woo. James, I doubt this is gonna make it, bro. It just turned green. Go, let's go.
Can we? I don't know.
You're an idiot. Kafu is right there, the gas thing. Guys, I don't know if you guys remember
I think
Kafu.
you can with the app. I think you can.
Can we? Let's try. Ask the guy.
Not the guy.
Ask him.
We need the guy.
Ask him.
Go.
Ask him. Boss, we need gas. Hello.
We need
gas. We need gas. Can you put gas? You can
Yes.
put for us gas? No. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. It's okay. Thank you. Guys, I can't. We reached the petrol station, but our car ran out of gas. It's not even moving. Look. It's not moving. Guys, the gas station. It's right there. We ran out of gas. But yeah, but because I don't have gas. Like it's done. So can you put for me, please? No more. It's gone. It's completely gone. Guys, I can't. The guy literally bought a gallon of fuel and put it in our car, right?
Actually, yeah, you did.
I can't. The guy literally carried it and put it in our car. What the fuck? So guys, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Ari Productions, over and out, baby. Yeah. So James.
Yes, bro.
Again?